Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can share or cast or display your Android device screen on your Windows machine. By default we will not use any other software. First, press your Windows key and type settings. Click on the settings option to open your settings, and now click on system. Now scroll down and you will see projecting to this PC option. Click on this and here you will see these settings. Now make sure you are on available everywhere on secure networks. By default it is off, but we don't want to turn this off because we want to share to the screen, right? So what we'll do is we'll turn this available everywhere, and when it says ask to project to this PC, you can choose it every time or you can choose first time only. This means that if someone is requesting to show or share the screen on your PC, first your PC will ask if you want to allow it, and if you want you can enter a pin, but I'll not enter a pin because we will give permission by just accepting the connection here itself, so no need to do that. And here you can turn this off if you want to project to your PC or if you want to show your Android device's screen to your PC, even if you are not charging your device. But if you turn this on, you can only share your Android device's screen to your PC if your PC or if your laptop is being charged. Now once you have made these changes, you need to do the following on your Android phone. First, go to your settings, and now we need to go to Smart View or Screencast depending on your Android device. So first you can search for cast. If you see something related to screen sharing or casting, you need to click on that, but for most cases you need to search for Smart View. Okay, now you will see options like this, Smart View. So click on Smart View and scroll down, you will see Smart View. So click on Smart View again, and now as you can see, I can see my laptop's name here. So if I just click on it, here as you can see, I'm being asked, do I want to allow this device to connect? So I can just click on OK. And finally it is saying it is ready. So here as you can see, I can see my Android screen, and let's try to use it. And here you can see I can easily see my Android screen on my laptop. I can use YouTube and so on, and I can play videos. Alright, so this is how you can do it, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.